Hey guys, it's Daijiro. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a Glam Pride inspired makeup tutorial. So I am so excited because it is Pride month, and I'm just really excited to be playing in some fun colors, like really be inspired by Pride, all the different like Pride flags. I'm really excited just to be like creating something for Pride. So if you guys want to see my Glam Pride makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, so first things first, we're just going to prime my eyes, and we're going to prime with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. Just going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for today, so yeah. I don't know if I want to do like a certain flag or if I just want to do like a rainbow. I really don't know. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with some powder. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. So first I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and we're gonna take the first pink in that pink row, and we're just gonna basically blend that into the crease. And we're using a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. And now on a M504 brush, we're going to take the second purple from the purple row and just put that under the pink. We're going to take the third purple from that row and just put that lower in the crease and just keep blending that out. And I'm going to cut the crease using this ABH Cream Contour Kit, and we're going to take the lightest shade. I really like using this to cut the crease because it's super like thick and like very pigmented. Okay, now we're gonna take the Morphe E36 brush, and we're just gonna take that dark purple again and take it over top of where we cut that crease just to make it very defined. Now we're gonna take this Ben Nye FB3 brush, and we're gonna take the red from the palette and just put that of the inner corner of where we cut the crease. We're going to take the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we're going to take the yellow from that palette. I really like this yellow, so that's why I'm using this yellow and not the one from the Makeup Revolution palette. Now we're going to take the green from the Makeup Revolution palette and just put that next to the yellow on the lid. The last color that we're going to put in the end is blue, so you're just going to take that blue and put that on the end, the third shade. And now we're going to do eyeliner, but we're not going to wing it out, we're just going to kind of bring it to the outer corner. So I did my other eye off camera, and now we're just going to do foundation. So I already primed. So now we're just going to move on to foundation, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation and the Rimmel London Stay Matte Full Coverage Mattifying Foundation. I'm going to mix these two together. And now for cream bronzing, we're going to take the Juvia's Place bronzer, I think, in Sunkissed. It's the cream bronzer. And now for liquid blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. Now for under eye concealer, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. We're going to set under my eyes with the same matte pressed powder. We're also going to set everywhere else where we put concealer. And then lightly set the rest of my face. For bronzer, we're going to take the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder in the shade 230. Look how cute he is. He's cute. Aww. And then for blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place Blush Volume 2. And we're going to take Lena and Tao. Now for under eyes, we're just going to take Ben Nye FB3 brush. And we're going to take the first pink shade in the Makeup Revolution palette. And just pop that under the eye. We're going to take the third purple. Cute. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera, put on a lash. And I don't know what I'm doing for my lips. I might just do like a nude lip or like a pinky nude lip. Just because the eyes are so loud, I don't want to really do anything super bright for the lips to take away from the eyes. So I'm gonna go off camera and do some lashes, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I just put on a lash. The lash that I'm using is the Celeste Los Angeles lashes in the shade in the style Dolly. And yeah, this is the finished Glam Pride inspired makeup look. I love it. I just love playing in colors and just love like vibrant, bright eyeshadow looks. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I am trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And I would love to have you join my family. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.